Hi everyone, myself Vimala. Today I am going to give a small presentation on business charter for sustainable production. Contents that covers business charter for sustainable production, some objectives of business charter and some principle of business charter, tools for sustainable business management, sustainable cubes, conclusion. Business Charter for Sustainable Production. Sustainable economic growth provides the foundation and resource for society to develop and prosper and for people to meet their needs and pursue their aspiration. It helps enable economic empowerment and poverty eradication, advance environmental stewardship, and contribute dealing with the transboundary global challenges highlighted by the UN Sustainable Development Goals. At the heart of economic growth are innovative, successful, and responsible business operating within strong and forward-looking governance and policies framework. Now more than ever, sustainable development depends on the solution capabilities, contribution and engagement of the business. ICC believes the entails. Recognize the critical importance of sustainable production in today's world. We are committed to reducing our environmental footprint, ensuring the well-being of our employee and contributing the betterment of the society. The business charter outline our dedication to sustainable production practice, our mission to become a responsible cooperative citizen. At the heart of economic growth are innovative, successful, and responsible business operating system with a strong and forward-looking governance and policies framework. Innovation in all the dimensions of sustainable development as to develop more integrated strategies, policies, and decision making. Leadership and collaborative to leverage the mutual reinforcing and cross-cutting element of integrated policy making. Integrated governance structures greater policies coherence between the economic and environmental and development objectives. Effort of all actors to reconcile short-term pressures with a long-term strategies to deal with the multi-policies of the economy, societal and environmental challenges and opportunity in an integrated manner. Here are some objectives of business charter. Resource efficiency to reduce our energy consumption, waste generation by X% within the X year. Carbon neutrality to achieve carbon neutrality in our production operation by years. Supply chain sustainability to work with a supplier who shares our commitment to sustainable practice and ethical standards. Employee well-being to produce a safe, inclusive, and respectful work environment that promotes the employee satisfaction and growth. Community engagement to actively participate in the community development initiative and contribute positively to the regions where we operate. Principles of business charter. Environmental responsibility. We will reduce waste, conserve resources and minimize the pollution in all our production activities, qualities and safety. We will uphold the highest standards of product quality and safety to ensure customer satisfaction. Social accountability. We will treat our employee, partners and communities with a fairness and respect and integrity. Innovation. We will continuously seek innovative way to improve our production process, making them more sustainability. These are some principles of business charter. Tools for sustainable business and business management. Specific tools for translation of general requirement of sustainable development into manageable depends are necessary. The sustainable balanced scorecard in a central tools foreign development and implementation of sustainable business strategies in order to identify the position of an enterprise related to the sustainable development. The concept of sustainable cube is discussed. Within the instrument, the social, economic and ecological dimension of sustainable development within the enterprise can be measured. One tool for sustainable design of new product or services is sustainable oriented quality function. Deployment. This concept combines the need of market and customer with the principle of sustainable development. Sustainable cube. In order to determine the organization position in the light of sustainable development, the sustainable cube can be applied. This tool contains the three perspectives of sustainable development: the economical, the ecological, and the social one, and the purpose of metric system for each of them. The position within the cube allows one to define the strategies of further sustainable management. The cube can be used for the whole organization, for a part of an organization, or for individual product or services. The economic perspectives can be measured with common economic concept like economic value added, option pricing strategies, shareholders value, contribution of accounting, target costing, or product profit loss accounting. Economic value, the whole organization. The target costing is the tool for product specific question. Meanwhile, specific variation of shareholders value or a contribution or accounting were developed including ecological requirement. Environment contribution accounting. The ecological perspective can be measured by the life cycle of assessment respectively. Environmental performance measured and indicator. The chosen method should refer to the principle of sustainable development. The methods sustainable are assigning not and quantitative and the methods. Sustainable process index. Maternal input per services. Eco indicators and eco points are in the discussion. These methods allows the measurement of ecological effects of the product, process, or organization. Application in usual complex. The method of if the environmental effects can be evaluated by the expert and also indicators contributed by ABC analysis can be used. Social perspective can be measured by the indicator questions of legal compliance of the social standards and laws of human rights and gender maintenance training. To give few examples are here in focus. For practical use, the relevant indicators of such respective perspective have to define for a specific organization. Conclusion of business charter. This business charter for sustainable production represents our unwavering commitment of sustainability. It will guide our discussion and action as we work towards the future, where our products are not only of high quality but also produced within the utmost respect for our planet and its people. Thank you.